Kids are playing under a big tree. That tree is home for many birds. It gives shade and fresh air every day.
Please, sir, don't chop the tree.
But where are we supposed to get wood for our houses then? We need shelter.
There has to be another way.
This tree must go. We need the wood for
Yes,
construction.
it's old anyway. Let's cut it down today.
Wait,
Please,
you
sir,
can't cut
don't
this
chop the
tree.
tree.
It's home to many
But where are we
birds.
supposed to get wood for our houses then? We need shelter.
There has to be another way.
We need wood for our houses. What can we do?
If you cut one tree, promise to plant 3 more. That's how we can balance nature.
You can use other materials, bamboo or clay bricks, but we can't grow a big tree again quickly.
Plants are good for nature.
These children are right. We didn't think this way.
Let's not cut it. We'll protect it together.